1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What's going on, everybody? Hopefully everyone was able to skip the ad by now. If you were in here, we got Morph Jason, and JB. Hopefully all of you guys are having a good afternoon. I know I slept all afternoon. Hopefully you guys did not sleep, but instead you were actually productive, had some lunch, and so on. Clever, okay, I might be back at 3. Nah, I just do the last 30 minutes. Yeah, Morph, had to be 30. Listen, man, I slept until like 2:50, so... I can't make the afternoon stream, but I hope you're feeling better, Clint. My kiddo is currently at urgent care awaiting the test results. Hopefully, yeah, no kidding, JB. Man, I hope everything turns out okay with that right there. If you're still in here, goodness, dude, hopefully everything's okay, and the kid doesn't have COVID, and everything's good there. Hope your little one gets better. Absolutely, Jason. Me too, man. Late. I was scammed. No way. You weren't scammed. Jay, how you doing, man? Johnstown, JB, hope all is well. Me too, man. Is JB, you still in here? Oh, hi, Clay, bro. What's up, Morph? How you doing, man? Yo, Clay, what's going on, Robbie Brooks? Clay's still alive. I am still alive, Johan. Oh, my gosh, I got a notification. I do not believe it, Sam. That was a pretty good notification if you clicked on it that quick. Justin, how you doing, man? Clay's in the building. I am in the building, Johnstown. How's your day going? JB, you did make the afternoon stream, bro. You're here. Maybe he wasn't able to stay during the afternoon stream. DD214 says, first one here. DD214, were you the first one here, man? I see Morph and Jason's name up there. What's up, Clay, bro? Gary, how you doing, man? Taking off now, just throwing down a little like, thank you very much, JB. And look, dude, try to enjoy the rest of your afternoon. And hopefully everything's good with the kid. Nobody wants to worry about that. Lava lamp is running hot. The lava lamp is hot right now. Absolutely. Are you guys? No, never mind. We're not going to go there. How was your guys' lunch? I ate chicken noodle soup after the stream, and then I went to sleep. Did you guys have anything good for lunch? Like, I want to live through you right now. I need to live through you, because I had some chicken noodle soup, more tea right now, and I slept all afternoon, so it was bad, but at least we're here. The other folks here are synthetic clay bros. Oh my gosh, we don't need any synthetic clay bros. We don't need any synthetic anythings in the chat. We're in the live. In regards of the price, I like, regardless of the price, you are always cool, calm, and collected. It gives me confidence. Good deal, Jay. I like that, man. You know, I know a lot of people in here, they don't really panic that much, so it does help. Like, you guys aren't panicking. Of course, I'm not going to panic. Counselor Murray, I just transferred some stocks from one broker to another. Can you tell the MOAS to hold off for 5 to 7 business days? Counselor Murray, thank you very much for the super chat. It'll most likely be 3 to 5 business days, man. But yes, we can tell the mother of all short squeezes not to start and stop within the next 5 to 7 business days, so you're able to take advantage of it. I highly doubt that it does, but I think you're going to be good, man. Banana Man, thank you for the super chat. Clay, would like to hear your thoughts about the market going forward after Powell's speech. Well, Banana Man, listen, I don't mean to disappoint. I could probably try to look up some headlines here, but I slept all afternoon, dude. I did not see anything that Powell had to say. Is it okay if I look it up like this evening, read what was going on, read some tweets about what was going on? I had some chicken noodle soup after the first live stream, and then I went directly to sleep, dude, and I slept until like 2:50. So I did not hear what Powell had to say. I wasn't able to stay awake, man. Only panic I mess with is at the disco. Now that panic, I don't know. Panic at the Disco, like I was cool with them, but in the same time I was like, nah, I'd rather listen to Nickelback. So it's kind of like, I don't know. I wasn't fully on with Panic at the Disco. Clay, bro, you just gonna stream when the market is open or after market also? Morph, we usually do 3 to 5, man. It's usually a 2-hour live stream, so I plan on going till 5. Banana Man, I wish I knew what was going on with Powell. What did Powell have to say? Maybe we can pull something up here and see what Powell had to say. Jerome Powell, FOMC. Let's Google search that and see if it brings anything up. If it doesn't bring anything up, then it's probably just going to lag us out here, bro time. Good afternoon. What's going on, Ronald? Banana Man, I firmly believe the market will move forward after Powell's speech. Yeah, I also believe that the market's going to move forward after Powell's speech, but I didn't know what he said. Will AMC hit 50 by the end of the week? Tyler, good question. I doubt it, because we still got 48's going to be tough, man. 48's going to be tough. So that's why I doubt it. But if we break 48, I'm on for 50. More like 43, Tyler. 43 sounds a little more reasonable to me than 50 does. Because 48, I don't know if we're going to be able to break that on a Thursday or Friday. I think that's when we close on Friday. I'll take it. Tyler's like, I'll take it, man. We don't need 50. 43 is good for me. That tells me nothing. I'm in a whole other zone. It's 10 p.m. for me. Oh, no, more. Okay, so about another hour and a half, man. We'll stay on for about an hour and a half. Clay, imagine if it was only 50% dark pool usage. I think it would be about the same thing, Jason. I'm going to be honest. If you could ask Powell, oh my gosh. If I could ask Powell a question, what would it be? Dude, I don't even think it would be market related. I think it would just be like what kind of hair product he uses. I'm going to be honest. There's nothing I really want to know from Powell. Nothing. Maybe if he's ever seen my live stream before, that would be a good one. Does he have any AMC? That would be a good one. Does he own any GameStop? That would be a good one. But as far as like anything market related, not too much I really care to know from the guy. Clay, imagine if it was only 50% dark pool usage. Saw that. Do we need to get some boom boom candles to go now? Yes, we do, Gary. We need to finish strong today. Friday, 3,000 a share. Jason coming in strong, man. How many pools do the stock markets own? Now that, yeah, we need to know that. How many pools do the stock markets own? Because if they own more than one dark pool, we need to be aware of this. All your fault, Clay, bro. I'm telling you, Locan, it's always my fault, man. It's always my fault. It happens, though. You're the guy on the screen. It's always the guy on the screen's fault. Clay, bro, meets Powell, and you know what he would ask? Will you co-sign a loan for me with Lisa? Do you think that he would? Powell, would you oh my gosh, AMC's ripping right now. Powell, do you think that you could co-sign a loan for me with Lisa? She would not give me one. Dude, Lisa would probably not even approve Powell. If Powell's like, listen, I control the Federal Reserve, but I don't have any credit score. Can I get a loan? She'd be like, no, can't get a loan. How are we going to loan you any money, Powell? What are you doing here? Federal Reserve is not collateral. The ability to print money is not collateral. Set interest rates, that's not collateral. What are you doing? Dang, AMC looking good. Above $40 per share right now. That is exactly where we wanted to close on the day. Anything above 40 is going to be good, and I think we're going to get it. Sup, everyone? Crypto Rocketeer's back and not driving. I like it. You sound stuffy, Clay. You guys, we're on a code. Stonk Mom. I'm pretty sure I got a cold. I'm pretty sure I just got something going on with my sinuses. Like, a bad headache. I can feel the pressure in my ears. Runny nose. Kind of sneezing. Just really, like, tired. I slept all afternoon, which I never do. Yo, Morph, calm down there, buddy. Morph, excited? I think we'll end under 40 today at almost 39. Well, I mean, we could, dude, but I think we're going to end above 40 today. We got this. Sup, crypto? Oh, yes. I'm not scared. Let it drop to 35. I'll buy a lot more. PM Righteous. I think a lot of people would buy a lot more around 35, lower 30s. Lisa would be like, listen, pal, you're in a whole lot of debt. You're in a whole lot of debt, pal. Clay's non-existent credit score is actually better than yours, which we didn't know was possible. Yes, she may say that, but she'd be like, but you do have a credit score. Even though it's bad, we can still loan you some money. Even though you owe tens of trillions of dollars, I think it's going to be okay, and we can loan you this $100,000 to buy $1 million house. Clay, on the other hand, not going to happen. He's never going to get it. Sounds like a lack of what? Sounds like a lack of what? I don't even know. Sounds like a lack of who? I've been buying at 39. Well, good deal, Jason. I like it. 400 to share this Friday. Connor. Dude, if we go to 400 to share this Friday, I promise I'll give everybody in here, all 71 of you, free shirts, compliments of Connor. I will even put Connor Bro on them. We're at 400 by the end of the week. You guys all got Connor Bro shirts. Quick comment. Joan de Jesus. Quick answer. Let's see the comment, man. 17 years ER here. Any fever or cough, keep a check on it. We need you well. Stock Mom. I don't know. I don't really have a fever. I checked my temperature a couple times today. No cough. Just kind of sniffling. Really bad headache. Pressure in the head, and so on. I think it's either sinus infection or some type of cold or something. I'm not, like, I don't know. I don't feel terribly. I do feel weird because I slept all afternoon, but I don't feel that bad. I'm super happy we weren't pushed down today. I expected it from bearish option flow coming in, but I love a bounce. Heck yeah, man. Heck yeah. This would be a good week for them to continue putting pressure on. Even if they gave us a little bit of a breather today, it would still be a very good week for them to continue the downward pressure and break that $38 mark. If they do, that's going to be very good for them, but I don't think they will. JB, I need Lisa to explain to me why it's better to know for sure someone won't pay you back than to loan and wonder if they will or not. That's a good question. And Lisa probably could answer that. There's definitely going to be a gamma squeeze or something huge coming in a few weeks. It's building up. Luca, I would love that, man. I would love some more excitement surrounding AMC. I would love... Oh, man, darn it. I clicked on the wrong thing. We might lag here for a second, guys. If we do, I'm very sorry. I would love... Let's go back out to the 4-hour chart. I would love some serious push-up like we had right in here. Remember when we went from 38 back up to 48 all in the same day? I would love a day like that, man. Oh, my goodness. I'd love to just jump from here and go up and retest and put Natalie back in the green. 46.62 is Natalie's break-even. I would love to put Natalie back in the green all in one day. Oh, man. Whether it's gamma or FOMO buyers or just that technical breakout, I would love to get into that. But as for now, we're just going to try and hold $40 per share. We want less than that. What did Rose say? No volume yesterday. It was 60 million. Today it is currently 49. Volume keeps going lower and lower and lower. But you know what? Volume, we can still have good price swings on low volume. It's still possible to have good price swings on low volume. Good volume days at least 70. That's an average. What is the average volume right now? Average, where's my average volume indicator? Average volume, 90 million shares. So 90 million shares is the average volume. We don't need 90 million shares to move. 50 million shares, we had a 3.5% gain day. We could have a 10% gain day on a million shares being traded. If nobody would sell the stinking stock, if nobody was willing to accept $40.20 for it, it would go up. AMC, Doge, and AQST only. LFG. Pop Squash, man. Nice. Yup, Pringleton. I didn't say what Pringleton's hard to say. Crypto Racketeer, sorry about that. Sorry, guys. I had to buy more AMC today. Me, talking to the hedgies. Dat Black Lex, I'm glad that you bought more. And you can talk to the hedgies in here because we know they're out there, man. We're coming for you, Brooks. Brooks, where you at, man? Where you at? We're coming for you. Bro, keep up the good work. Minor, bro. Or Minor Bino. Alvarado. Sorry if I hacked your name up. Thank you very much. I will keep it up. My break even is 54 and I'm down big. But I'll be back for sure. Yeah, Jason. It's alright, man. We're going to be back into the 50s for sure, dude. Lower volume might mean that more holds, or can it? Yeah, more. So low volume just means nobody's willing to trade the stock at the current prices. Whether you think that is bad because nobody's willing to buy it at current prices, or you think that's bad, or you think it's good because nobody's willing to sell it at the current prices. I would rather see low volume because you can still move on low volume, and it's an added risk for the hedge funds because they're not able to get a hold of the shares that they need to get a hold of during the short squeeze. So days to cover is a real thing, and days to cover is currently very low for AMC. If you use the average volume, it's maybe 1.5 days to cover their shares. If that gets into 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 days, it's going to be very bad for them. It's going to be hard to keep those short positions open. Okay, Clay, I told you earlier if you want 40-21, end of the day we need ship bro cam, and I needed a blue wrench. Neither had happened. Meanwhile, we finished at 44. Dude, I would rather finish at 40-44, man. 40-44 is Eric's guess. Let's see if Eric's got 17 minutes till the end of the day. Let's see if he's on it with something here. 40-44. This is my boy Eric's guess right here. Let's see if he gets it. Alright, I bought a bunch of SPY calls. Should pay off, right? I hope so, Banana Man. We had a pullback recently, man, so I think you could absolutely see a bounce in those calls. Are they short term? Are they long term, or what? Clay, if I bought 100 shares on January 2021, bought 100 more on August 2021, then I decided to sell 100 shares on February 2022, would it be taxed long term or short term? You live in the U.S., right? So it should be first in, first out. Those would be long term capital gains. They typically take the first shares that you buy and get rid of those first. Now, if you sold 150 in February 2022, essentially 100 of those would be taxed long-term, and the remaining 50 will be taxed short-term. So I would sell 101, and you can have one share for long-term tax. Best offer I can give you. Right there. It's the best one I can give you. $40. Crypto Rocket Tier says 40. Oil Tip says 40.37. 40.20 on the board. Yeah, I was saying 40.20 earlier. I don't know if we're going to get that or not. 50% gain in my SPY calls. Very nice, Oil Tipped. Sam, yes, that's the best I can give you right there. Do you accept 11 Simon? Chip can hole. I have some guesses, but not for polite company. Chip cam on the hole. Is that what we're talking about? We got something else going on. I don't even know, Pringleton. I don't even know what's going on right now. Bouncing like my baby's boobies. Smurfy. What? Oh my gosh. What's it bouncing like, Smurf man? Smurfy? Oh my gosh. Hey, at least it's bouncing, dude. At least it's bouncing. Clay, I live in Burma. Living on the Simon. Nobody actually knows where you live, man. You're Mr. International, Mr. Worldwide. Oh, I'm getting it, Clay. It's gonna be 40-44 by end of day because of my incredibly large eggplant casserole I make. Okay, dig your mind out of the gutter, Clay. Dude, I don't even think my mind was in any gutter. If it was, I'm like so out of it right now. I don't even know that my mind was in a gutter. Golly, it might be in the gutter, but shoot, dude, I know you're cooking some eggplant casseroles over there. It's all right. What it do, family? What's happening, the dude? We're gonna make 2021 the best year ever. Yannick. Absolutely, man. That's what we do here. Pringleton sounds like something I'm interested in. Yes, it does. Fed's not tapering until November. Is that bullish for us? Okay, that's what I was gonna do. I was gonna go back out there and look. Let's see what to expect from the Fed's policy decision. What did they actually announce today? Maybe if I scroll down a little bit, it'll actually come up. Oh, man. Oh, man. All right, there we go. Potential rate hike as soon as next year. Listen, anytime they start talking about increasing the interest rates, that's bad news for the market, okay? Typically, it's short-lived. Like, people just worry about the FOMC minutes and the releases and the speeches and so on. But if they're increasing interest rates at the beginning of next year or whatever he said during the meeting, I'm just reading headlines right here. If they are going to increase interest rates, then that's going to be bad for the overall market because money's going to flow out of the market and into savings accounts, bonds, and so on. So the theory goes. And then it's going to flow right back in afterwards. So after it pulls down a little bit and people think it looks cheap again, they're going to be buying it right back up. So if they do decide to increase interest rates then and they're not expecting it, I would expect a little bit of a market pullback. Dude, you don't realize I'm a life savings in this. I am all in and I need this to happen. No, Fruit Bowl, I think we do realize that you have your life savings in it, man, because you told us yesterday or the day before. I forget when it was. And a lot of people YOLO'd into AMC, man. A lot of people YOLO'd into AMC. And, shoot, dude, I do think that AMC is going to squeeze. No rate increase until next summer. Well, next summer's, yeah, not a worry then if it's not until next summer. Is that what they said? I was just reading headlines. So, increased interest is not something I'm interested in. Yes, increasing interest is not something that we are interested in. Exactly. We want interest to stay low so people keep their money in the market. Hi, Clay. If I bought shares worth 100, then it skyrocketed after a couple of months. I decided to sell $100 worth of shares just to get back my capital and leave the gains. Am I still going to pay tax? So, no. You have to realize an actual gain on your portfolio there, man. So, if you don't close out a profit for all your shares, then, no, you're not going to pay taxes because you didn't realize a profit yet. When you do close out those shares, then yes, you will, unless you close out on a loss. Mid next year after a tapering finish. Okay. Clay, what are your thoughts on the Fed meeting today? Or what do you think they will decide? Eric, I have no idea because I slept all afternoon, so I really did not know what was being said. I ate chicken noodle soup right after the first stream, went to sleep, woke up, came right back on. Dusty, you will always pay taxes, not capital gains, though. Yeah, so if he doesn't have to pay, I mean, if he didn't make any profit, then he's not going to have to pay any taxes on it, though. Herbal, even though AMC is probably the best play on the market, why would you put your entire savings into one basket? People like to YOLO, man. But that's a tough question. People like to YOLO, for sure. Hi, Clay. So, what do you think about not raising the debt ceiling? Woo, good question. I think that they will, man. I think that they will. They're addicted to it, and it's just what they do, man. I would rather see them raise the debt ceiling than print some stupid $1 trillion coin or whatever they're talking about. But they'll do it. Whether they shut Congress down and they all go on vacation for a couple weeks or a month, they're still going to do it. There's no way they won't. Lisa would loan them a house before she would loan me a house, and all they ever do is pile on more and more debt. Clay bro, can you quit wiping your nose? My cats think you're trying to play with them, and I cannot see through them. Mr. Anything Tech, I would try, but I can't promise because it's really running, dude. It's really running right now. Do you think the hedge funds clients would like to close out before the end of the year so it would increase the odds of a squeeze? D214. I don't know if the hedge funds clients actually have a say in what they do. I don't know if they have a say in what they do, man. I think the hedge fund clients would probably, not like to risk their money, but I don't know if they would be able to have a say and just say, you know what, close out your AMC positions and so on. Hayes Monster says, nope, they won't. We're hitting 40-40. I can feel it in my bones. Josh, good deal. I did it too. Life savings. AMC Trapper, YOLO'd all in. I know that Oil Tipped went all in as well. 10 minutes left. 10 minutes till the end of the day. 9 minutes now. M. James, what's going on, M. James? How you doing? Pringleton says, steeper. We need to go steeper into the close. At the meeting to discuss the debt ceiling, steeper. Yes, that is exactly what they're saying at the meeting to discuss the debt ceiling. We need to go steeper. Let's see if we can have this bad boy bounce into the close here. Seems like we actually got a decent trend line, though. Let's try and follow this. Try and follow that right there. Oh, come on. No, don't want profile. Didn't even click on that. Alright, let's see if we can watch this bad boy. What are you doing, man? Follow the rules, line. Okay, here we go. And we're going to close at... Ooh, that takes me like right to 40-20. Nice. I'll leave that line on there. My guess is 40-20 on the day. Good. I need a better greeting than that. M. James, dude. Hopefully you're having a wonderful day today. I am a little sick, but hopefully you are not. You're doing good. The kids doing good. Everybody's doing good over there in California. Glad to have you in here. Nick F. M. James says, Nick F. Finally. Johan says, finally. Get that line on there. 40-40. Ivan says 40-40. I'm on Section 8. I'm not supposed to have AMC shares. Proud to be an ape. I will risk my Section 8. Dark Waters Bravado. Very nice, man. Don't risk your Section 8, dude. You're going to be homeless if they... Oh, my God. Thoughts about tomorrow? Nah, dude. I'm not even thinking about tomorrow at all right now. I can't. Oh, heck. Back in the 40s. Oh, yes, Jeffrey. Bang, bang. Awesome to see after not checking the phone all day at work. That's what's up. Heck yeah, dude. We're back in the 40s. We're looking really good right now. We're going to close above 40-20. People are guessing 40-40 is going to be where we're at. Or 40-44. That's where we're going to be closing today. We'll have to see how it plays out. What's up, everyone? Oh, yeah, M. James. What's going on, man? AMC, AQST to the moon, Clay, baby. Susan. I hope they both go to the moon. Yes. I naked shorted my YOLO. C. Hill. Dangerous move, man. Also would naked short my YOLO, too, if that makes any sense. Matthew McConaughey. Aloha Kaku. Clay and the Apes. What's going on, Matthew McConaughey? Aloha Kaku to you, my friend. Hopefully you're having a good morning over there. Susan something. M. James, I swear he said Susan, but I didn't see it. What do we got, Clay? 2008. Hey, Woo, what about 2008? Sorry if I missed something that you said. Clay, bro, maybe it won't go under 40, but I don't think over 40-30. Morph. What do you think, man? I'm going to put a line on the graph for you. Where do you think it's going to close today? Let me know. I'm going to put a line up there for you. Clay, when we squeeze, are you going to buy a mansion like Ape Father? He said he wants to buy an $80 million house and have apes come spend the night there and chill and relax and party. No, I'm not buying an $80 million mansion when AMC squeezes. I forgot to silence my phone. Darn it. I should silence that. Dude, I like my house, man. I might have a boring backyard, according to M. James, but I like my house. I don't think that I'm going to buy an $80 million mansion and tell everybody to come over and chill with everybody. But I don't know. We are running after hours. We're running after hours, but we're falling right now. Come on. Pringleton, I'll sell all my shares to give us some selling pressure for you, bro. A JK, but I'll cross my fingers. Just only one pair of them, so it doesn't undo the original cross. Oh, man, I missed what... Pringleton, sorry, man, I missed what you had to say. Let's see. Silence! Man, I didn't even think Nick F was here. Let's silence the phone real quick and watch AMC turn red. Who was that? Just a notification. That's why we didn't cut out. It was just a notification and not a group message. Group messages are the worst. Let's see. We're back. All right, cool. We're here. $80 million mansion with only 2,000 shares. Let's get it. Let's get that 80 million. Well, dude, if it goes to 500,000, like a lot of these people think it's going to go to, then I think you'd be able to get an $80 million mansion. What would you have, like $200 million? Let's see here. 39. What are you doing? 39.94. AMC, come on, go back above $40. You're supposed to close above 40 today. I don't like that. Back to where we started. G.A. Rapati. Are we back to where we started today? No, we're still up on the day. Come on now, man. We're still up almost 3%. We started the day at 38.52. We're at 39.95. We're going to close above 40 today. I think A Father wants a Chomo Factory. It sounds like. I don't even know what that is, dude. What is that? Clint, I won't take it as financial advice, but will AMC squeeze this year? Jose, I think it has a higher likelihood of squeezing this year than it does next year. But it doesn't mean they're not going to drag it out till next year, man. I'm going to be honest with you. Doesn't mean they won't. Sounds like A Father is going to put you on a special list, and have to alert the neighbors on what list he is on inviting a bunch of strangers to sleep over. He might be put on a special list. I don't know, but it sounds like, well, it doesn't sound like something I'm interested in. I don't think that I would go spend the night at the Ape Father's house with a bunch of other people there. Even if I did have my own room in an $80 million mansion, I'm not sure I would do that. A little late today. Hi, everyone. Tom P, how you doing? Dude, I'm fixing up a 1999 Firebird Formula, a 5.7 liter LS1 engine. It kicks butt, man. When I'm done and after the squeeze, you can buy it from me, and I'll even drive it out from Cali. My brother might be interested in that car right there. My brother might be interested. He had a Firebird when he was in high school, so he'd probably like that car. Market Combat, limit order triggered, proud owner of 50 more shares at 40. Nice, Frank. And now you're making money on those shares already, $40.02. Heck yeah, Frank's making $1. Frank's making $1 already. Heck yeah, $1.50. Let's go, dude. Frank's making $1.50. Shoot. How's my 40 looking, Crypto Rocketeer? We're going 40-20, man. How's my 40-20 looking? Firebird, boo. Camaro all the way. Mustang all the way, man. You trying to be alone and spending the night? You trying to be alone spending the... What? No. I'm not trying to spend the night at A Father's house at all, dude. If that's how you took that, no, that's not how I meant it. I'm not going to spend the night at the A Father's house. No, I went to sleep. Paramount, I went to sleep. That's probably true. What did 11 on Simon say? Crypto Rocketeer. What's up, Clay? You think Doge is a good buy-in right now? I don't want to chase. Pete. So, I was looking at crypto's support levels before I fell asleep earlier, and they are all sitting around, and they bounced off some support levels. So, I don't know. Doge has a tendency to fall back down to around 16 cents when it takes a pretty big hit, but then it goes up to, it tries to fight its way back up to 30. So, the fact that it did bounce off a level of support, it might be a decent time to get in, especially if you're trying to play it shorter term. I think it might be a decent entry. You don't want to do belly flops with him? Alright, well, if he's got a pool, maybe I could do some belly flops. I do owe the Ape Father a belly flop. I'm pretty sure I owe him a belly flop. Oh, we got 1 minute left in the chat. Oh, we got 1 minute left in the day. Where's it going here? 40 even. Oh gosh, it's gonna be closed at 40.01 today, isn't it? This is gonna be the battle for 40.01. I know it is. Even though it doesn't even matter. We're not closing any options in the money today. What do we got here? $40. We're not going 40-20. I think we're going to close. Dang it, Crypto Rocketeer was probably right. An $80 million house party with a 98% chance of sexual assault. No, never. He has a dark pool. He probably does have a dark pool, man. What a Crypto Rocketeer. Sorry, Simon. Missed that. If other strikes me as the type to pat me on the back with a creepy smile on his face. Sounds like a nice guy, man. Shoot, run, AMC. Let's go. 40-20. Make me right. 40. Ducks calling 40. The battle for 01 is really on option. No, I know. Oil. That's what I was saying. It doesn't really make sense because nothing's expiring today. But we were right at 40. So that's why I said it. Dang Rocketeer. Missed what Rocketeer had to say. Sorry, Simon. Darn it. 48. 40-10 was the close. 40-10 was the close. We are back down to, what are we sitting at after hours here? 40-05 after hours. And 40-10 was the close. We could see it settle 40-06 right now. 40-10, 40-10, 40-10. Ding, ding, ding. Yes, it is. That was a nice candle at the end of the day there. $10 away from 50. Monday, we should get to 50. Nadia, we are only $10 away from 50. $40, what is that, 10, 20, 25% gain? 25% gain, and we were right back at 50, guys. Hey, Father, though I've never seen this video, oh my goodness! I get the impression he's the kind of dude to introduce himself every time he meets you, even though he's already met like 8 times. That's a high probability. That's a high probability of being correct, Sam. I would agree with that. $80 million house would be insane. How much would you have to pay on property taxes? Dude, an $80 million house probably has, what would that be, man? Several $100,000 a year in property taxes, if not closer to $1 million. I don't even know what an $80 million house looks like. Do they even make $80 million houses? Like, somebody go Zillow the Hamptons right now and see if you can find an $80 million house. Because I feel like you'd be hard pressed to find an $80 million house in like Malibu. So I know the dude's over in the Jersey area, so maybe he's thinking about Hamptons, but $80 million house does not seem like it's going to be easy to find. Nice boom boom candles today. Oh yes, Mike, and we finished in the green. Yo, Spank Nanners, what's going on? I'm pretty sure Eminem's house is hardly above that. Probably is. Dude, $80 million is extremely expensive. Calabasas. Could you even find an $80 million house in Calabasas, though? In Dubai, you will find one. I don't think the Ape Father is buying a house in Dubai, but he might be. Maybe Neverland. You could get one in Neverland. I love to see this stock above 40. Me too, Frodo. It's a lot better than the 30s, man. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. A beautiful day for a neighbor. Hello, neighbors. Yes, it is. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. We are back in the 40s, and hopefully we never see the 30s again. Unless, of course, you really, really need a little bit of a discount to grab some shares in the 30s. There are YouTube vids showing you around these super expensive houses. $80 million, though? Can you see the Ape Father in the Michael Jackson Neverland rant? Guys, I don't know. I think the Ape Father's a good guy. I truly do. I think he's a very, very, I don't want to say emotional guy, but a very passionate guy. And I think he's a good guy. $80 million house in California is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath. Impossible, M. James. Impossible. All right, everyone, I'm off to lunch. Thanks for everyone for holding. Pancakes! Enjoy your lunch. What are you getting today, Pancakes? I'm hungry, so I want to know what you're eating today. Clint, thoughts on ATER? Yeah, hot shot. It's running, and I don't know if it's going to break a brand new high or not, but what was it at earlier today? Was it at 15 or 14 or 13? I'm mixing it up because it might have been at $13, but up 15%. That might be what I'm thinking about. Lost land in Thornville, Ohio, starting today. If you got the pre-passes. Dude, what is lost land? Lost land, if you got the pre-passes. I don't even know what that means, dude, but I don't have a pre-pass, so I wouldn't be able to do it. People said Bill Cosby was a great guy, too, man. He never said he never said the swears. He never said the swears, okay? And Bill would never lower himself to that level. 10 out of 10 kind of guy. Yeah. Well, we know how that turned out, right? Friday will be a battle for 41, 30,000 call options expiring at $40. Frank, we're going to go for it, man. 40.01, $41. I hope we get it. Oh, 40.01, he said. Yeah, 40.01. I hope we are able to get above 40 and expire above 40 on Friday. Oh, by Yellowstone National Forest. Are you going to leave it a protected park, or what are you going to do with Yellowstone if you try to buy it? What up, bro? What's going on? What is this? Remtac? What's going on, man? Dude, an $80 million house is very, very big. Lots of bedrooms. You could honestly put your whole family in one and live together. Yes. But an $80 million house, just like you could buy an entire city for $80 million, man. 5-day festival. See, I don't even know about this. LA apparently has $350 million houses. Are you serious? $350 million? Dude, nobody's paying half $1 billion for a house. What are the property taxes like on a $350 million house? I feel like it's impossible. Antic says, bought 2,000 shares at $9, holding tight, might squeeze to 100 and take all that AMC. It's ripping and trending. Very nice, Antics. Getting in hot. 2,000 shares at $9. Dude, if it goes all the way to 100, I hope you make out very well. Calm down, everyone. Don't get too giddy and emotional. Buy and hold. I have been in this play since, wow, October 2020. Talking about ATER? Or are you talking about AMC? I would join you, Pancakes, but unfortunately, I am working. Love those Olive Garden breadsticks. She's going to Olive Garden? Olive Garden pasta. Come join me. Nice. Unfortunately, it's going to take me a little too long to get there, and Olive Garden does not sell hot dogs. So, if you see me going like this, it's because I'm popping my ears because I can't really hear right. Ken Griffin, the most expensive house in the country. Does he really? Clockwork. I don't know if that's true or not. Does he really? Pam, see you later. We know how to pay way too much. We know how to pay way too much. Yes, we do. But do not overpay for anything post-squeeze. Property taxes in LA are usually 1% of the value of the property. So, $3.5 million a year? You're paying $3.5 million a year in property taxes, dude? I'm going to say no, thank you. I don't even care what that house looks like. Not doing it. I need crab fettuccine. Go get it, Remtac. Go get it. And you guys are making me hungry. Taxes, insurance, and the cost of wages to pay maintenance workers and cleaners could mean an additional $14 million a year in expenses. This is true? Google says on a $200 million house. I feel like that would probably be true. You're gonna have to pay a lot of people to maintain that property. My gosh, dude. No thank you, man. No thank you. I'm not paying $14 million a year just to maintain my property. Take a field shop, okay. Was Epstein's Island even worth that much? A good question, man. I don't even know, because $350 million house, or $200 million house, with another $14 million a year expenses? Like, no way. I believe it's true. A Manhattan penthouse. My gosh, dude. I wouldn't really consider a penthouse a house, though. When I think house, I'm thinking, like, you know, you say single-family house, but, like, what's a single-family house when it costs $300 million? I bought my house on a volcano. Now it's gone. Brilliant, right? Weirdo Shrine. Yes. Brilliant. You bought it on a volcano and the lava took it away. Plan to buy a tiny home, pimp it out in the mountains by a stream, and trade and dab all day. Remtech. Good deal, man. That sounds like a decent plan. Clay, you missed my chat. That you said you missed my chat. Droman, I didn't miss you. I didn't miss this one. I didn't miss the chat that said you missed the chat of missing the chat. Come on, Frodo. Tell your boss you're hungry. Yes, Frodo, take a lunch. Go out with pancakes. Enjoy it. Go back to work. Your boss ain't gonna mind, man. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, dear, Lords? Is it Lords? Lowards? Lords? Lords Navarro. Happy birthday. Is it really your birthday, Lords? Lowards? Is it Lords? It looks like Lords. Wait, we Forte yet? J Bones, thank you very much for using your free members super chat thingy that YouTube just came out with. Yes, man, we're going for the Kia Forte. That's the ultimate goal. When Kia Forte? Soon Kia Forte. I googled it. In 2019, the island was valued at $63 million. So his island is like a quarter of the price of these LA houses. My gosh. Crypto Rocketeer says, welcome, JB. JB, what do you mean, welcome, J Bones? No, Crypto Rocketeer. That was just a message. I saw you retracted it, though. Gotcha. When Pontoon, Transparency Project. Dude. Transparency Project. You think like my dad, man. You think my dad was trying to buy a pontoon over the weekend. He's like, when pontoon, man? But then I wasn't available at the auction anymore. He was like, yeah, I need to get this pontoon boat, dude. It's about pontoon time. When you guys just love to go hang out on a pontoon boat? I'm like, I don't know, man. I don't know. We need a pontoon boat. So, Transparency Project sounds like my dad. Father? Is that you? I'm waiting for you, Frodo. Pancakes is waiting for Frodo. We need to know, is Frodo going to step up? Is he going to go have lunch at Olive Garden with pancakes? ATER still ripping, on its way to 19 now. Oh my gosh, nice antics. When's Smart Car? Dude, people still drive smart cars? I can't today, Pam. Sorry, but soon. Frodo. We need to know, Frodo. You guys need to go get this endless soup and salad, or, ooh, endless soup actually does sound good right now because I'm not feeling that good. Endless soup and salad at Olive Garden. Dude, you and pancakes, you need to get on that. I do a container home myself. Okay, but really do it right. Let's go AMC for tiny house and more debt. An AMC GME Moon will do me just perfect. And I don't need millions either or limbo. Remtech. I like it, man. I like it. I hope you do get millions, but I know I like the idea that you don't need millions. Very reasonable person there. As someone who grew up with a lake house and on the water, I can honestly say that a pontoon is the way to go. It's not the sexiest of boats, but the ride is to die for. Sam knows his stuff, guys. Sam's been to the lake house. Sam prefers the pontoon boat. You just get to go out there and chill. A lot better than ripping around. Is it better than ripping around on a jet ski or a speedboat? You like skiing, you're not going to be wakeboarding off the back of a pontoon boat. Soup and salad, so good. I know, man, but I'm sitting here and I want some because I'm thinking about it. Pontoon time is over. What? Over? Yeah, it might be getting a little cool out now. Hi, Clay, bro. I am still holding strong, but that means you can get a deal on a pontoon boat. Every single day, I'm staying strong with my Y, AMC MOS, AMC Short Squeeze only. Rockets, diamond hands. Aria, I love it. Who has a container home? I do not have a container home. SDC, please. Caroline, what do you mean, SDC, please? You're talking about the ticker or what? When single room cabin with a sleeping loft in the mountains by a lake with my fiance. That's the dream here. Frank, dude. That actually does sound pretty nice, man. What's your price prediction for AMC by December? Peter, I'm hoping we go all the way up to the peak of the squeeze, no matter what that is, and then all the way back down by December, man. I hope the squeeze is completely done by December, and we can move on post-squeeze, post-MOAS, whatever you want to call it. I hope everything happens by December, dude. Wrong! I'm sorry, Clay, but they do make pontoons with special bars for pulling wakeboard from a higher level, which you want, and even make with specific wake put out for water sports. Sam, you just blew my mind, dude. You just blew my mind. Thank you. Now, Transparency Project. Look into that, man, because if you got that, you get the best of all worlds, dude. You can wakeboard, you can do water sports, you got the pontoon life, man. So, I say look into that. American Dream 7.5! Clay Bro rocks. Thank you very much, American Dream 7.5. But we all know that you are the one that rocks. Thank you very much for that super chat. I appreciate the support out there. And I don't know if I rock, guys. But we are here. We're hanging out. And AMC had a good close today, so we should be happy. Smash that like button. Thank you very much, Aria. Don't forget to smash the like button, guys. I hope the squeeze by December. There is this new housing tract being built not far from my house, and I would love to just walk in with a backpack filled with cash and say, is 400,000 cash enough? Ivan, I hope you get to do that, man. Ivan, if you get to do that, I think you should, even if you don't want to do anything on YouTube, man, you should videotape that and then post it on Twitter or something, just so we can get a good laugh about it. I think you should do something like that. That would be awesome. Walk in with your backpack full of cash and say, is 400,000 enough? Let's see. What is pontoon? Toontang. Somebody explain pontoon. It's just basically a boat. How do you explain pontoon without showing them a picture of a pontoon? It's like a deck, man, that you can use as a boat. It doesn't typically go very fast. Apparently, Sam's pontoon boats go fast if you're wakeboarding off the back of them. But it's more or less a chill boat that you guys can just float around on and have some fun. And a lot of people use them to party too. Squeeze soon. I want to retire. Grandma Lou. Me too. Can I Google pontoon? Yes, you can Google pontoon. Toontang. You can Google pontoon. It's not bad. Hey Clay, why do you promote Webull? They are a payment for order flow platform that continues to give market makers money that allow for FTDs. Yeah, Reed. I honestly don't have a problem with payment for order flow. I don't think that anybody has a problem with payment for order flow. I think the problem with payment for order flow is the abuse of payment for order flow. Payment for order flow is actually a decent idea that takes the burden off the retail investor of paying a commission and puts it on the broker, or it puts it on the market maker, right? The market maker is actually paying for our orders at that point, and that's how the broker makes money. So yes, I agree with you guys that it does get a little sketchy when market makers are out there and they're intercepting orders, and then if they're not giving us best fills and so on, that is bad. I do disagree with that aspect of it, but I don't have a problem with market makers essentially paying for orders and advertising. I think of it more as like an advertising expense. Pontoons don't come with exclusively small motors. You pick that separately and can get a big one if you want. I saw a pontoon with 3 of them. What? With 3 of them mofos on it, and it wasn't even it was even in the boat races. Dude, that sounds like a extremely custom. All right, so there's some lakes around here, dude, and pontoon boats typically have smaller motors on them and do not go that fast. Doyle rules. O'Doyle rules. O'Doyle rules. Yes. I agree. Payment for order flow is good in practice, but I think it's what's screws. Yeah, Reed. So that's the difficult thing, man, is that I don't know if that would cause the whole thing to, come undone, and that's the only thing holding us back. But, I mean, I'm on board with you on that if they're using it in a bad sense, I don't like that. But just payment for order flow in general, I don't really mind. Floating deck is what a pontoon is. Yeah, that's what I was trying to describe it as, but apparently if you're doing water sports off the back of them, man, these sound like something I'd be interested in. I live on a lake here in Ohio, and pontoons are the chosen mode of transportation. They are the safest thing on the water, considering the drunks that are on them. Boat bump. Yes. Pontoon boats typically lead to parties, man. A pontoon is a type of floating device used to add buoyancy to a structure. These tubes are airtight and hollow, making them water resistant and virtually unsinkable. Googled it for you. Thank you very much, Pancakes. I appreciate that. So you got 2 of these airtight tubes with a deck on top and then a motor on the back. So essentially the pontoons are what the deck floats on, and then you've got your motor on the back, and you can ride around the lake. That's because everyone with money likes to get that flashy speedboat, man. But the real British Broadcasting Company energy comes from the pontoons. I'm telling you, Clay, post-squeeze, I'm going to hit you up to go wakeboarding. Sam, I would like to go wakeboarding. I've never been wakeboarding. I've been skiing, been tubing, all that good stuff, but I've never actually been wakeboarding. I would like to do that. I was living in the Upper Peninsula of Michigan for a few years back, and the lakes up there are beautiful. Hey, you know what, Frodo? I've never been to the lakes up there, but I have seen pictures, and I agree with you on that one, man. For instance, I buy 10 stocks at $40 with a $9.95 fee. It becomes $41 each. Yeah, easy merc. If we're talking about commission, imagine if you were just trying to add 1 or 2 stocks a day, right? And then you go and you're buying a $40 stock, and you've got a $10 commission to buy, or even if they're competing on commissions and you're down to a $5 commission to buy and a $5 commission to sell, you got to go up 25-30% before you even break even on that trade right there. And that's rough, man. That's rough, especially if you can't go out and drop $1,000 at a time or $5,000-$10,000 at a time, and you're looking at $1 to $100 worth of shares at a time, man. It does become difficult when you're using commission. Squeeze these nuts. Wrestler. No, man, I'm not doing that. They're great for grilling and cookouts. Yeah, people do have a lot of fun on pontoons, man. Some pontoons are luxury AF, fishing and partying. Dude, I'd be down for a pontoon boat all day. And speedboats are nice, but if Sam's correct, man, we can get the best of both worlds out there. I would say pontoon boat would be better than a speedboat in that situation. Bulldog stream went down again, Vincent? Any idea why Roaring Kitty's... No, I have no idea what Roaring Kitty's stance on AMC is, Ben. I do not. Lake life is the best. Yeah, it is nice going out on the lake. I like yachts. Pancakes likes yachts. Pancakes lives a very luxurious life over there. After the squeeze, I'm gonna be like Big Pun. If you don't like my face, just look at my car. I don't know who Big Pun is, but shoot, man, if you don't like my face, just look at my car. That's a good motto. I should probably start saying that about my Kia Forte, man. Right? If you don't like my face, just look at my Kia. You're gonna like it even better. Wakeboarding is so much fun. Has anybody else in here been wakeboarding? I've been skiing and tubing, but I've never been wakeboarding. But it does look like a lot of fun, and I would like to do it. He likes the stock. Yes, Floor. That would probably be Roaring Kitty's viewpoint on AMC and GameStop. He just likes the stock. I have a dinghy. Clownfish. I don't even know if that's true or not, man. But if it is, dinghies are real boats now. Come on. Squeeze that shaft as hard as you can until... What now? Fruit bowl. What do you do with it? Are you a mechanic? It sounds dangerous, dude. My pontoon runs about 55 miles an hour. Okay, that's fast, dude. It's plenty fast. Dude, Irish. Yeah, you don't need to go any faster than that, for sure. Wake surfing is more fun. Caroline, have you actually done that? That does look like a ton of fun. I've never done that, clearly, but that does look like a ton of fun. I tried wakeboarding and almost broke my jaw. Ivan, I feel like I need to know more about this situation, because how did you break your jaw wakeboarding? Or almost break your jaw? I sent you a wakeboard pontoon DM on Twitter so you can see it in action. Nice, dude. I'm gonna have to watch. I don't have my tablet over here. It's over there charging. I'm gonna have to see that though, because I need to. That does sound like something I would like. Dude, put your dinghy away. There are ladies present. Exactly, Frodo. Listen to Frodo. He says, put your dinghy away. There's ladies here. Never been wakeboarding. I've been waterboarded. Can't say that was fun. Kooky. I don't know if you're joking or not, but if you have, I'm very sorry to hear that, because that does not sound like it's fun. Doing. Surfing is dope. Oh, Lupe, what did he say? It's fun. I have 3 boards. Doing those rallies? You have 3 wakeboards? Dang, man. You guys need to take me out wakeboarding sometime. Frodo, I gained at least 2 inches in length and 1... What are we talking about? I lost my footing and my chin hit the... Ooh, dang, dude. Ivan, yeah, that would sound dangerous. You're nuts. People are nuts. I'm telling you, pancakes. People are nuts. It's okay, though. We're going to get through the day. Coogie, it's almost as illegal as naked shorting. It is. We should not do that to people. Wrestler, what are we saying to Frodo? Oh, my gosh. Fruit bowl, those are some good gains. Those would be some good gains, man. Dude, Lupe. I don't even know what that is. Railies? I don't know what that is. I'm not a wakeboarder. I don't know what that means, though. Somebody help me on this one. That's like pontoon. It's like explaining pontoon to somebody. I need this explained to me. Surfing is expensive, though, because you need the right boat with sand. You need sandbags to do it? How's ATR looking? Can you take a quick look? Trevor, Antics, give us an ATER update real quick. I know you were on it, man. Frodo, thanks. Yes, I'm hosting a yacht party post-squeeze in Cali. Can I come to the yacht party? I saw you read that message and ignore it. Trevor, no. I didn't ignore it, man. I just told, listen, I don't go out and bring a bunch of different stocks up on the chart. We can do it. But if Antics is here... He's the ATER guy. He just dropped like 18,000 on ATER. Clay, does the shorts make money on red days? And is that ammunition used against us to prolong their survival? Yeah, so they make money on red days, but unless they close out of those short positions, they don't realize that gain. Everyone knows who Big Pun is except Clay. It's probably true. I mean, I don't know a lot of this stuff that you guys know. I want to clearly, before you look at that picture, that it was a quick Google search, so it wasn't the coolest of... Dude, it doesn't matter if it wasn't the best of the best. It's still alright. I just want to see it in action. Dream car? I don't know, man. I don't know. If I do end up making a ton of money on the squeeze, and I went to go buy a sports car or something, it would probably be like... I don't know. If I actually had to sit down and choose between like a Super Snake and a really stage 3 Roush Mustang or Celine Mustang, it would be a tough decision. Super Snakes are amazing, but then again, for that price range, you're sitting at Corvette levels, and the brand new Corvette's just, it's beautiful. So it would be a tough decision. If I was actually going to go out and buy a sports car like that, it would be a tough decision. ATER, yeah, we can pull up ATER real quick since everybody wants to see ATER, but I figured Antics was still in here, and he'd be able to help us out. But no, Antics left us. Come on now, Antics. It didn't even move. There you go. My gosh. Up 28% on the day, up another 8% after hours. Sitting at $18.05. ATER was ripping today, guys. If you're in ATER, congratulations to you. I don't have any ATER, but you're doing very, very well right now. Up 28% on the day, and then another 8% after hours. Incredible. Moon soon, Brad. Yes, moon soon. You just have to be very consistent and do it every single day. At least hang for 6 hours in the path. I don't even know what's going on here, but it sounds dangerous, dude. I don't even know if I should finish reading that. It sounds really, really dangerous to me. Oh, man. Brad says, what's up, Pammy? In a pontoon. No, don't do that in a pontoon. Gilegi, what is this name? Gilly, don't do that in a pontoon. Post AMC now 40.29. Nice. Let's go back to AMC's graph here. Give me 2 seconds. ATER doing very, very nice after hours, guys. Almost touched $19 per share. Sitting at $18.16 right now. Dang. Wish I was sitting on some ATER. All right, back to AMC. What do we got? AMC doing very nice after hours as well. Sitting at $40.29, up 0.5% after hours. Hey Clay, what's up, Nini Waka? How you doing? What's the high end for ATER? Oh, let's go back real quick. I know 19. I'm pretty sure 19 is where it topped out before, when it ran maybe a couple weeks or a couple months ago or whatever. But let's see. Yeah, so if you're sitting here, it ran back up to $19, I would say a couple weeks ago. But if you're going high end, the highest it's ever seen is $49. $49 is the highest it's ever seen. Can it get back to that price? I do not know. But popped up here at 19, dropped all the way back down to $9. Now you're sitting at $18.05 after hours. Oops, sorry. AMC, good deal. We're back in action, AMC. Let's rip. I bought the dip. Nice, Victoria. Anyone else bought the dip? I'm officially all in, sitting now with 2,000 shares. I'll be eating beans and rice and beans for the rest of the year. Ivan, good deal, man. Nothing wrong with some beans and rice, dude. It's a pretty healthy diet there. At least you get some protein, you get your carbs. You're looking good. There's some bananas in there, and you'll be all right. Pam out here trying to get enough money to buy Ellen's wife. Come on, Pam, look at you. That is a lot of money. We need some Ellen's wife buying money. Don't worry, everyone who has ATER will sell at the end of the day tomorrow and put it into AMC. Yeah, Rigid, a lot of people who do have ATER probably will be bringing some gains over into AMC, which will be nice. Bye, Pancakes. Enjoy your lunch. Pancakes, if you're leaving, enjoy your lunch. Hopefully your soup and salad and your breadsticks taste delicious. Yes, ATER is ripping. Beans and rice is the way. Brett says you got to get on with the beans and rice, guys. Megalotone. Affiliate Spider, I also went way heavier on BBIG. Oh, man. BBIG back down to... Crap, was it at $6 or was it at $9 earlier? I forget what it was. I'm in with 1,150 shares. Very nice, Robert. Sam, yes, gains my first year and going on 2 years now. I made it to 2 inches solid, 1 inch. I don't know what we're talking about here, but sounds weird. JT Wisco! What's going on, JT Wisco? How you doing, man? I'm all in as well. 90% of my savings in my 6XX shares. Hoping to become a millionaire when it squeezes. I love it, Neil. That would be perfect. What's the short interest on ATER? That I do not know. If anybody's got short interest on ATER, please let us know, guys. Clay, I'm out. More green days to come. Keep the spirits high. Apes are strong together. Mahalo ho. Thank you very much for being in here, Matthew McConaughey. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. And thanks for stopping by, clicking that like button, and hanging out with us for a minute. You seem to be the kind of guy who goes all into things in life that may be beneficial regardless of possible downsides. Yes, Fruit Bowl is manic, dude. He's just all in. It's a good guy. Good guy. If it's got a potential benefit, Fruit Bowl is all in. Reddit's still down? I have no idea. BBIG 658. Gotcha. Thank you very much, AMC Trapper. I thought it was around there, but I didn't want to say a price and have people freak out if I was wrong on it. Pushing for 7.5. I want to be 8. Oh my. I don't even know what's going on. I still can't get on Reddit. I have not tried to get on Reddit in a very long time. So Reddit must be down for some reason. Everybody being mean to the developers of Reddit, so they decided to shut it down. Spank Nanners. The ape is a little angel. Good deal. Sell ATER in morning. Take the gains to AMC. Put ATR puts go in money, and I take profits to AMC. Teamwork. Let's do it, man. Gilly Gilly. It's like Gullah Gullah Island. Gilly Gilly. I like your strategy there. I hope you make a ton of money doing it. ATER short interest is 33.97%. Thank you very much, Crypto Nerd. So there are 13 million short shares outstanding for ATER. That's a 33.97% short interest rate. No idea, AMC Trapper. No idea. I think he's talking about like woodworking or something. Wrestler says, forget about Reddit. Yeah, dude, forget about Reddit. They're mean over there. Come on now. 4 p.m. down at Reddit right at the close. Hedges are fudded. Fudded? They're fudded? They're fuddy-duddies? Robert, you think the hedge funds knocked Reddit down? Or what's the deal? Clear, bro, you from Cali? I'm catching a Cali vibe. Brad, no, man. Actually, I born and raised and lived my entire life in Ohio, man. I've been to California once. I'm gaining length and girth in my vegetable garden. Gotcha. He's growing his vegetable garden every year. That's what he's doing. He's growing his vegetable garden every year. We were a little bit worried about that, but now it makes sense. I'm all in like Fruit Bowl. You only live once, and those who don't take any risk stays in the same level. Who dares? He who dares wins. He who dares also loses sometimes there, but I hope you win, Raheem. I hope you win. Clay, if you do a search on YouTube, look for how to do a rally on a wakeboard trick tutorial. Peacock Brothers. Okay, Lupe. I might have to check that out then, because I didn't know that was a trick. And I'm sorry if I'm saying it wrong. I've never heard that word in my life. I love your setup. House tour. Jordan. Nah, dude, I can't. I'm not gonna give a house tour today, man. But basically, I'm in the wagon right now, and then the rest of the wagon over there, and then over there. This is my wagon lap. People say that I'm Amish, and this is my wagon lap. So, ship lap it was, but now it's wagon lap. No, I said forget Reddit. Yeah, you said forget Reddit, wrestler. We know. I know, I read that. I'm fruitcake like fruit. I'm fruitcake like Fruit Bowl. Raheem, I hope you both win, man. I do. I hope you both win. My brain feels fried. I just did a 300 piece in like an hour and a half. 300 piece puzzle, Chris? Is that what you got? Dude is a clown. Who's a clown? I don't even know. Who dares question the powerful wizard of stonks? Nobody, Gorilla. Nobody. It's an awesome trick. Damn, I'm gonna have to see it then. I'm sorry if I'm getting it wrong. Benadryl, sorry. Spank, what did Spank say? Benadryl, Clay, bro, and a nap. I don't even think I needed to take Benadryl to take a nap, though. I took some Alka-Seltzer earlier, so I probably won't take any more, at least until tonight. And then I took a nap between the morning live stream and this live stream right here. I could probably just go fall asleep right now. Peace puzzle, forgot to say puzzle. Yes, you did. Proof my brain is fried. Chris, I was wondering. I thought it was a puzzle, man, but I wasn't sure. He's a part of the Scurvy Squad, out here homeless, just living on a ship. Yes, man, I'm a part of the Scurvy Squad. This is the ship. The rest of the house is underwater right now. It's not looking good. Brandy is good. Who's Brandy? She sounds like a nice lady. Man, first day of fall, baby. Is today the first day of fall? Yes, it is. September 22nd, Wednesday. September 22nd, the first day of fall today. And it is rainy and gloomy. Welcome to the fall season, everybody. Hopefully, Hopefully my cold is just from the fall, and after today, it's completely better. If we do win, I'm coming to the USA and gonna have a hangover movie experience with the fellow apes. Don't blow all your money if you're having a hangover experience, man. That sounds dangerous. Don't blow all your money doing it. Penamaster Pro is pretty good as well. Don't know what this stuff is. Brandy ain't got anything on Elizabeth. That is, I can say that with honesty because I've never seen anybody named Brandy in here. So, Brandy has nothing on Elizabeth. Elizabeth has got it all going on. I'm so dumb. Should have bought Ater, ATER, not SDC. Caroline, there will always be another stock that runs more than another stock. Do not get the whole shoulda, coulda, woulda mentality. It'll haunt you for the rest of your life. I want to meet Mike Tyson's Tiger. Good deal. 2 Benadryl plus Red Bull equals 4 hours of no drainage registered. Listen, I think the Benadryl would outweigh the Red Bull in that situation. And I can guarantee that I would fall asleep with 2 Benadryls. Clay's Ohio like Indiana, in which you can experience all 4 seasons in one. Dude, you can experience all 4 seasons in one day, man. You can experience all 4 seasons in one day, easy. Brandy's a fine girl. Yes, she is, J Bones. Brandy's a fine girl. Clay, are you putting a video or resting? I vote rest. DD214, most likely going to be video, unless I actually, because I did sleep. Dude, I've slept a lot today. I slept in between the other live stream. I might just chill out on the couch, see what's going on. The thing about videos, they're not that bad to do, man, because they only take, I mean, the research takes longer than the actual video to do. But I go on, I see what people are talking about, see if anything's actually trending, if there's any news out there right now that needs to be discussed, and so on. And then come down here. It takes 10 minutes of real effort to record the video, and then just get in the description and all that stuff's not too bad. So it's the live streams are harder than doing the videos. So if I was able to make it through the live streams, I should be able to make it through a video. Just send a couple of pics to your Twitter. Check them out. JT Wisco! I will have to do that, man. My Twitter, my tablet's over there, man, so I'm not able to do it just yet. Hello from the thumb of Michigan. Hello from Ohio. We are very close to each other. DD214. DD214. Oh, yes. That's it. I'm going all in on Benadryl this fall season. Spank out. Have a good day, apes. Spanks out. Going all in on Benadryl. I like it. Yeah, guys, if you need to go to sleep, Benadryl will definitely help you go to sleep. D's nuts now? Wrestler? What nuts? Works like a charm. It probably would, but I feel like I would still go to sleep. Just got off my broke job. What did I miss? Looks like we ended greenish. Brian, oh yes, man, Brian, we ended green today. It's a pretty good day overall. We ended at $40.08. We're currently trading at $40.12 after hours. We had a 3.25% gain on the day. And we fought for that $40.50 level several times today. So hopefully we're able to break through that tomorrow. Maybe we get lucky after hours, but hopefully we're able to break through that tomorrow. And we do not retest the 38 level. But we actually did have a pretty good day today. Closing 3.25% higher, up at $40.08. Offset with energy drink coffee if needed. There's no way that energy drink or coffee would offset my Benadryl, though. There's no way. Take a nice warm shower, down some Theraflu, and you will be out for hours. Ivan. That actually does sound pretty good, though, man. My chart says 4017. Chris, you got 4017 after hours or what? You might need to... Yeah, I think you might be sitting at 4017 after hours because I'm sitting right here at $40.15 after hours. The close was $40.08. After hours is trading was probably 4017 when you said that. AMC will squeeze by the end of the year, and I will possibly gain. If you're truly blessed. Listen, Fruit Bowl. I don't think you. I'm not even going to go there, dude. You're already blessed, man. You're in here. You're hanging out with us. I had an X-ray done on my finger. Doc said, pushing that like button too hard. Megalotone! Thank you very much. Everybody push that like button just like Megalotone. Make sure that you push it hard enough that it turns colors. And actually registers that you click to the like button. I predicted 41 for today. Glad we got to see the close. Yes, me too, man. Ron, I'm glad we were above 40. Bought ATER 25 calls at 16 just before the close. Nice. You got to be doing pretty well on those because we're running after hours. It's looking pretty good, man. Just take a few shots of tequila, bro, and call it a day. I don't have any tequila in the house, man. I've never drank before. I don't plan on doing that tonight. Sleep for medicine is an artificial sleep that gives significantly less health benefits than natural sleep. That probably is true, dude. I took some nighttime Alka-Seltzer yesterday and fell asleep pretty early. And then, dude, I woke up so many times last night. I wasn't tired when I woke up, but I just slept terrible. Chill with the detox. Yes, please, chill with the detox. AMC will squeeze a D. Okay, well, I hope it does, man. Like button smashed. Frodo, thank you very much. When I see it hit the hundreds, finally, I will be taking shots. Luca, good deal, man. Yes, 4017 after hours. Literally laughed to myself seeing my total return back at 109. Didn't have the 1,000 for long, but still not tripping. Good deal. Good deal, Chris. Good deal, man. Nobody's tripping here. We're all doing good. Transparency Project. Yes, absolutely. Boom. Fist bump that. Dude, I just smashed my MacBook from hitting the like button. You owe me $2,300. Carlos! Was that a MacBook Pro? It sounds like it was a MacBook Pro, man. $2,300? Was it brand new? Because I feel like you might be playing me. I don't know if your MacBook was actually brand new, but I thank you for smashing the like button that hard that you smashed your MacBook. That's the way to do it. How did you type, though? Did you come back in on a different device? Did you come back in on your phone, or what are you on right now? Might have COVID. I doubt it. Ape named Orozco. I think it's just like a sinus infection or a cold or something, man. Carlos. Oh, yes. Everybody's like, Carlos, doing a good job smashing that like button out there. Thank you very much, Carlos, as everybody should be doing right now. Hopefully, what do you guys want for the end of the week? I think a test of 48 by the end of the week is probably too much to ask for, but I think we can get back to mid-40s if we play it right. Yeah, so I think that I would love, oh my gosh, 2 great days. I would love 46 again by the end of the week. But we might be stuck here in the 43 area if we start to run. I don't know if you guys agree with that or not, but I think that would be pretty good to be back at 43, 44. I would love to be back about 46, but chicken end of week. We got chicken end of week. All right, man, I'll take chicken end of week. We can't cover the cost of the MacBook. Best we could do is a sticker giveaway that you likely won't win. You likely won't win it because there are plenty of people here that would make your odds of winning lower. But shoot, dude, you could win. You could do a sticker giveaway and win. Crypto Racketeer says 100 end of week. I love it. It's probably what? Corrovid? What is Corrovid, man? Gently demolish the like button. Thank you very much, Petray 691. Gently demolishing that like button, as all of you guys should do. Eat more chicken. This dude is telling you subconsciously to go invest in Chick-fil-A right now. Let's just shoot. More is always better. Yes. Last count was 135 million. Institutional ownership of AMC. Gotcha. What is the current institutional ownership of AMC? Johnsontown. Are you telling us the current institutional ownership at 135,000, or what are you saying? I might have missed that. Clay, that air freshener goes off every 15 minutes in your house. I don't even have an air freshener in here, dude. You hear a noise every 15 minutes? It's like a tiny little fan. It might be my computer fan. Now I'm worried, dude. What noise do you hear every 15 minutes? Because I don't have an air freshener. You guys might be hearing something that I don't hear. I should have held my ATR calls. Joshua, yeah, it's running after hours, man. I don't know when you got rid of them, but hey, at least you made money on them, right? I assume that you made money on them. That's why you got out. Let's see, 150 by September, 450 by October. Oh my gosh, Jay, I would love $450 a share. My goodness. Gosh, invest in Ghost Protein. How about that? Now that sounds like something that I probably should do. I need to give Ghost Protein a try. I heard it too, Clay. What does it sound like? What does it sound like? Does it sound like my furnace? Like a click? What's it sound like? And it has AMC max pain target for this week at 42. Shoot, man, we're going to blow through 42. We got this, guys. I think they might be talking about you sniffling. Oh, maybe. Sounds like an automatic air freshener. Huh. Next time you guys hear it, point it out. It might be me sniffling, man, but I don't think it was that. If it sounds like an automatic air freshener, point it out the next time you hear it, because I don't know if it's my furnace kicking on or what it might be. Carlos contributing to my 2,300 or 50 shares of AMC. Thank you very much, Carlos. I appreciate the super chat, and yeah, man, I'm gonna get on that. I'm gonna start adding up so that I can get you your 50 shares of AMC or the new MacBook, because I'm very sorry that you broke your MacBook out there. Smashing that like button so hard is all of you guys should make sure to do. 250 people in here. We should have at least 200 likes, guys. Letting YouTube know you're having fun. That has an empty can. Very weird, man. It sounds like an air freshener that's got an empty can. I'm so confused right now. I don't even know what's going on. It's not you. It's definitely not me, but it's something. The last count of AMC ownership was 135 million a couple weeks ago. I understood it has increased. Oh. Well, I don't know. We can look up AMC institutional ownership. I thought it was 150 the last time I looked, man. Let's see if I don't lag out here. AMC institutional ownership. Let's see what the latest reported number was, if it comes up here. We'll see if that loads. We'll give it 2 seconds to load. Sounds like you have a fan blowing, car AC to be specific. Is it the computer fan? Like, do you guys hear the computer fan? Like, is it constant? Because if you hear the computer fan, that's just constantly running. Take vitamin C, E, and zinc, and go to bed. Never fails to limit how long I am sick. Well, shoot, man, I'm going to have to take that. I do have a lot of vitamin C. I do have some, like, body armor drinks with zinc and vitamin E in them. But I don't know if I specifically have vitamin E and zinc. Hey, bro, you look tired, man. Yeah, dude, definitely tired. Just chill and take it easy. We're going to the moon. Sam, we are definitely going to the moon. I'm going with you. Chris says, you're never too tired to show us how to eat some salt. You got to pour it out, dude. You got to pour it out on the ground. You throw it over your shoulder for a little bit of good luck, and then you tilt that head back, and because salt tastes so good, you just got to... Oh, man, but every time you do it, if you don't keep it close to your mouth, you get it right in your eye, and then it hurts. So, Chris, thank you very much for the salt shaker. I appreciate that. And to clear out the sinuses, that's what it was for. It was to clear out the sinuses. I appreciate you looking out there, man. Thank you. Could be the comp fan. Comp fan's constant, though. So if it's a computer fan, it's constant. I hear that fan. It's not that, though. Okay, so it's not that. It's something else. That's the computer fan that you guys heard on that one. Held 18-year calls last week. Ran up and after hours. Got dumped in the morning. If history repeats itself, you did good by selling. If you held calls, sell early. Gilly. Dude, I know I'm messing your name up. But, yeah. Hopefully everybody stays not super conservative with their ATER calls. But if you're in it, no, we ran up to $19 before, and then it dropped back down all the way to $9. So don't let it drop on you. Like that smash button, you get it. Domingo, like that smash button, guys. Hopefully we have boom boom candles for the rest of the year. Oh my God, I would love that, Joshua. So my wife's car to buy more shares of AMC. It's a win-win, and now she has no choice but to go with me to the movies since I'm driving, and those AMC shares are oh so sweet. John, very nice, man. You just got to make sure you buy her a nicer car after the squeeze. Okay, don't forget to buy her a car again. If you hear funny sounds, hop on a VPN and they'll go away. Are these funny sounds coming from my house, though? Check your battery in your fire alarm. Weak battery gives a chirp sound. Yeah, I don't hear that, though. I definitely know what that sounds like, but I don't hear that. I don't think it would be a low battery in the smoke detector. Is that what it sounds like to you guys? What up, everyone in Claybro? What's up, Rick? How you doing, man? Hopefully you're having a good day today. We are out of tea. No more tea left. Sorry about that, guys. No more tea. I wish we had some more. It's on the listener end. It could be on the listener end. It might not be on my end. I'm not sure. Get off, Weeble Claybro. Go all in fidelity. The Eighth Father. I don't know if it's really Father or not, but what's going on, man? Hopefully you're enjoying your afternoon. And I highly doubt, dude. I highly doubt I get off Weeble. I'm going to be honest with you, dude. I'm very sorry, but I I highly doubt I get off Weeble. See Trey's latest video, the one about this being a pivotal moment, inspirational. Sam, I did not see that one. Is it on his Trade Trades clips or just actual Trade Trades YouTube page? I meant what I gained probably would have not. I meant what I gained probably would have not the premium. Joshua, I missed that, man. Sorry. Clibro's fake. It's true, dude. I'm AI. I'm not even a real human. I'm not even a real human, dude. I can actually confirm that. I'm AI. Hey, father smells like beef and cheese. Dude, I love beef and cheese. Think about that, man. You know those little packs of beef sticks and then the little cheese stick that come together? That's delicious, dude. That's delicious. Beef and cheese, that's a good combination. Those little beef stick packs with the cheddar cheese. I know you guys like those. Those are definitely good. So if you're trying to rip Abe Father, I think that's a compliment, man. Those little beef and cheese packages are good. But it's Clay Spider Sense. We hear it tingling. Oh my goodness. You guys might hear my Spider Sense tingling, but I don't even hear it tingling. So what a good Spider Sense that is. Trade Trade's YouTube page, bro. Watch it later. Yeah, I'll try to do that if I'm laying down or whatever. I might watch that, Sam. Hey, Clay, bro, I always smash the like button. Thank you very much, Kevin. Question for you, not financial advice. Dude, nothing's financial advice on here, man. You guys don't have to. I'm not worried about you guys not putting financial advice on there and so on. But what percentage do you feel the apes own of AMC? We were at 80% in June. In my opinion, I think we're well over 100%. Dude, I'm going to be honest. So let's look at institutional ownership here. And institutional shares, we were just asking, they're currently, the latest report is 143 million shares, or 27.96%. So that would give us like 72% of all the outstanding AMC shares. Institutional owners are at 143%, or 143 million, and that's 27.9%. That gives us roughly 72% of all the shares of AMC. Now, as far as apes go, I do not think that all retail investors are apes, man. I would bet on that all day long and stand behind that all day long. I think true apes are very low in quantity. I think that true apes are here for a short squeeze and will do nothing but focus on that short squeeze until it happens. I don't think that people are like that. I think that people get emotional. Apes don't worry about what the price is doing intraday. People are worried about selling if the stock price comes back down a little bit. Apes aren't that way. So if you're talking about actual apes, man, I would say the actual ape count is pretty low, but retail ownership has got to be around 70 to 72%. I'm back. Jennifer is back. Can't be over 100%. Nope. Who ripped? What? Nobody. AMC, anyone ever had a Wick automatic air freshener, then when the can gets empty, it makes the sound of it pushing the air freshener, but it's empty. I've never used one of those, so I don't know what that sounds like, but if you guys are hearing that, that's kind of weird. I swear I don't hear anything here. So you wouldn't be interested in my beef and cheese cologne? Yeah, dude, I'd be interested in your beef and cheese cologne. That would be nice. I like beef and cheese. Where do hedgies keep borrowing shares from? So every time somebody sells a share, they can go and borrow those shares if the new owner is willing to lend it. So it's just, it doesn't matter if the share's already been borrowed and lent out in short. If the new owner is also willing to lend it out, they can borrow it again. So essentially you could borrow 10 times the entire float, 10 times the entire shares outstanding, as long as every new owner was also willing to lend that share out. AMC Trapper, I thought of a ceiling fan that can spray freshener out of a timer. It would suck to refill it, though. Got to work on that part. Chris, wouldn't be that bad to refill it, man. I guess you just stand on something, right? Good stuff, Chris. Yeah, you just like changing a light bulb, dude. Wouldn't be that bad. You cannot smell anything right now. Country Trader Grill. I can't even really breathe right now, so it might be hard to smell something. It smells like Up Dog in here. Well, Wrestler, what's up, dog? What's up, dog? Come on, Wrestler, this is your moment. This is your moment, Wrestler. What's up, dog? Oh, man. I was at the park with my mom and child. Very nice, Jennifer. I like that. Taking advantage of the day, spending it with the mom and with the kid. Very good. Hey, E-Turbo. I think synthetic shares. Thanks again, Clay, bro. Absolutely, Kevin. What do we got? Ape Father, please say hello to Ape Mother for me. Yes, say hello to Ape Mother. You need rest, Clay. Jennifer, I do need rest. I've essentially been resting all day when I've not been on live stream. I was sleeping in between the entire time. And I would likely lay down on the couch for a minute, figure out a video, get it, and go back to sleep after it's on. Clay, my wife don't believe we talk on here. Can you shout her out? Her name's Bianca. Droman! Shout out to you, man. And Bianca, listen. Droman is the man, all right? Of course we talk on here. And Bianca, I got to know. Droman a good guy? Because I think he's one of the best guys. I think he's one of the best guys, and I want to know your opinion. So, Bianca, get on your phone right now. Claybro is the name of the YouTube channel. Come on in here and tell us how Droman is. Because, yes, we do talk on here. He ain't joking. Shout out to you, Bianca. Hopefully you're having a good day today. Hope it's not COVID, man. Nah, I don't think it's COVID, guys. I think it's just some sort of a cold. Wash all of that. It smells... Wrestler, you didn't even go through with your joke, man. You said it smells like up dog in here, and I said, what's up, dog? And then you didn't even finish your joke. You told me to wash my body part. Dude, I can't volley you like that and set you up and you don't even come in for the spike. Come on now. Do you think Gary Gens will make payment for order flow illegal? Joe, honestly, I do not. I feel better, dude. You're going to need your strength. Yes, I will, Kevin. We're going to get it back, man. We're not going to stay sick too long. Bianca is going to put him on blast. Oh, I hope not. I thought of an AMC animation commercial of a bear and bull are fighting over a ticket or seat, and a giant ape pushes them out of the way and sits in the middle. Yeah, Chris, I think you should hit up Adam Air, man. That might be better than the oh my gosh, was it Nicole Kidman? That might be better than the commercial they just spent $25 million on. That would be pretty cool. Claybro, get some orange juice, and tonic water with, dude, what is this science experiment you got going on, Joseph? Orange juice and tonic water with cuisine in it, and 1 lemon and 1 lime. I'm in, and you're gonna put a half a lemon, squeeze the juice, and a half a lime, and squeeze the juice, mix and drink. Dude, that sounds like a science experiment right there. Joseph, maybe you should hit me up on Twitter with that one, because I never heard of orange juice and tonic water with cuisine. Never heard of it, dude. I don't know. Oh, man. Bet that costs less than $25 million. Yes, I'm sure that costs a lot less than $25 million. My goodness. Oh, man. Crypto Racketeer. Sniffles, dude, all day long we got the sniffles. It's all right, though. Hey, Claybro, ugly few days. You doing okay, man? Lennon, I'm doing good. How you doing, Lennon? Hopefully you're having a good day, and you're feeling better than I am. We're a little sick over here. Ugly few days, but today was a good one, guys. Today was a good one. Don't forget that we closed up 3.25% today. We're currently sitting at $40.10 per share. After hours, likely to be a little less active than normal, but at least we're up. Green on the day, 3%. Drink ginseng tea with honey and lemon, bro. Works like a charm. I might do that. I did have some honey. I don't have any lemons here, and I don't want to go to the store, if I'm going to be honest with you guys. But I did drink tea with, I have raspberries. So I tried to put some sort of a fruit in it. Raspberry and honey tea. Just drink some moonshine. You'll feel better in the morning. Lex, I don't even know where to get moonshine, man. Sounds like some old school voodoo stuff. Never. RVS is going around like... RSV. RSV is going around like crazy right now. It can last for weeks. Rest and take as much vitamin C as possible. Yeah, Country Girl Trader. I know RSV is going around. My nieces and nephews had that like... it's been about a month now, I think. Several weeks. Droman is my... Oh, Bianca! Oh, my goodness. Bianca is here. Droman is my husband, so I'm going to be nice not putting him on blast for you. Bianca! I love it. Bianca's in here now, too. Droman. Bianca, I'm going to address this to you because we are leaving now. It's 5 o'clock. I don't know if this is like Droman's man cave or if you can come and hang out with us every day in here, what the deal is. You guys can talk amongst each other after hours. We're leaving in 2 minutes here. So make sure to discuss this amongst each other. And if you're allowed to hang out in here with us, we'd love to have you. If it's his alone time and he wants to hang out with the bros, then that too. But, you know, Bianca, click the like button and subscribe to the channel and become a bro. We know you're ready. Bianca put him on blast. Bianca did not put him on blast. No way. Bianca's a bro. Bianca, I know you're going to become a bro, and smash that subscribe button. And, yeah, listen, I don't know. I don't know if this is the dude's bro time or what the deal is. You guys are going to have to talk about that if you want to hang out in here every day. But you are more than welcome. Rowan Kid was negative on AMC back in April, but he was also promoting GME, so we have to ignore his comments. Maybe, I don't know. Everybody's saying hello to Bianca. I love it. Yes, guys. Everybody say hello to Bianca, and you know what time it is. Say hello to Bianca. Get your name in the chat right now, because it's time to go. I want to give everybody a shout out, and then we're going to end it for the day. Hopefully we got a video coming on at 8 p.m. tonight. You guys can check back. JB, SD, and Nick F are basically tied for first. They've both got like 2 wins, and they're both ready. I swear they sit there at 8 o'clock ready for the video to drop with their message, copy and ready to paste in the comments below. So see if you guys can beat them tonight, 8 p.m. And thank you for everybody that does watch the videos every day, that clicks the like button, that supports the channel. You guys are absolutely amazing, and I cannot express the gratitude enough. So thank you guys very much for being in here. Sorry, I'm a little under the weather. We will be getting better. The energy is going to be higher once we get back, and it's all going to be good. But rest up tonight. We're going to be back at it again tomorrow, and let's get these shout-outs going. AMC Trapper, Kevin, Lex Luthor, Crypto Rocketeer, dabbing on them like always. Gullah Gullah Island, that's you. Gilly. Hello, Bianca, Country Trader Girl, shout-out to you. Trap Start, 135,000 subscribers. I like it, dude. You have 135,000 subs. Very cool. Jay, DD214, Frodo, Frank, Bianca. You guys had a rough day at work. You guys gave me a laugh. Good deal, Bianca. Thanks for coming in. Thanks for hanging out with us. And hopefully your day gets better this evening. AMC Trapper says, peace out to the apes. Love you all. Absolutely. Jennifer Byclay, get well. That is the plan, Jennifer. And, I don't know. Enjoy your evening, Jennifer, with the kid, with the mom, if you're still with them. Enjoy the evening. It was nice. I like when people get to go out and spend time with their family. Ivan, see you mañana. Yes, unless you want to see me in the video, then you can do that. Droman, oh my goodness. Droman, thank you very much. Now, I know we were saying welcome to Bianca and shouting her out, but Droman, man, thank you very much for grabbing that green name. You guys know what to do. We'll let this go on a little bit longer. 213, welcome Dromans to the little bro. Thank you for the support, man. Grabbing that green name, absolutely amazing. I cannot, oh my god, you guys are absolutely awesome. And hopefully you guys get those. If you do have the green name, you get those like free super chat messages. I don't know if it's once a week, once a month, or what the deal is, but they just started those today. So thank you very much, Droman, for grabbing that green name. And I hope everybody says welcome, Droman, in the chat as we're signing off here. Short Crusher, shout out to you, man. Jennifer, have a great day. All Short Crusher, AMC Trapper, DD214, welcome to the green name fam. Droman, absolutely. Country Trader for Girl, my family gets on my nerves. Some family does, man, but it's still nice to spend time with them, right? Ross, ate mañana, Clay, bro. Absolutely, Ross. Ate mañana, mano. DD214, Liz Rhodes, Short Crusher, how many apes are in ATER? A lot of them. Chris says welcome. Good deal, guys. And we can extend the welcome into tomorrow, or you guys can shout them out in the video tonight, or in the comments on the video tonight, whatever you want to do. Transparency Project, just extending the day a little bit longer. One up, one up, one up, one up. Thank you very much, Transparency Project, for the one up. Oh my gosh, I feel like I just got a power up right there. Good deal, we can go another 5 minutes. No, we do need to rest. We need to get that video out. Thank you very much, Transparency Project. I appreciate that super chat, man. You guys are awesome. Hopefully, every single one of you have an awesome evening, afternoon, night, wherever you're at right now. Thank you guys so much for being in here, for tuning in, smashing the like button, subscribe button, and checking those links in the description below. Now, if you want to say it with me, Jeff, I see you down there, man. Shout out to you as well. Just got here. What'd I miss? Everything, dude, because we're getting out of here now. Here's the deal, guys. It's time. So if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.